Climate change and overfishing are threats associated together, and PNG may experience its terrifying ordeal in the near future. In a presentation yesterday afternoon, several climate change and environmental advocates spoke to students about this. One presenter, David Mitchell, from the conservation organization, said the Solomon and Bismarck Seas will likely be affected by coral bleaching in the next 15 years. Mr. Mitchell said this is because more carbon has been taken into the sea, and this will greatly affect the marine and people's livelihood. Other speaker, Paul Reed, policy director at the U.S. State Department, said climate change is real, emphasizing on sustainable, inclusive, and transparent economic growth. He also highlighted the danger associated with overfishing, saying 1/3 of commercial fish species are at the verge of collapse.
Over a third of the species of fish that are fished commercially for human consumption are on the verge of collapse. Once one collapses, there will be more effort on the next, and it will collapse, which will cascade onto the next.
On Sunday, during the G20 summit in Brisbane, Australia, U.S. President Barack Obama has announced a $3 billion funding program for mitigating climate change. Recently, during the APEC summit in Beijing, the United States and Chinese government have agreed to reduce their carbon emissions. U.S. Ambassador to PNG, Walter North, said by 2030, they aim to reduce carbon emissions by 26%.
And under the commitments made by the President in Beijing, we're going to accelerate our progress on that path and reducing our reductions by another 24 to 26% below 2005 levels by the year 2030.
Quinten Alomp, National MTV News.